Okay guys, so we're unboxing a blind box called Kitty Fun, and I deleted some of the footage accidentally, so yeah. Gonna put on the eyes. Let me just put them on.
Oh, there's my pumpkin. I have a big one.
Next.
Oh, there's two of them.
Big one. Ears. I got some sharp scissors. Be careful with this part. Cut.
I ripped that.
Let me just get the stuff out. Here are the ears we got. And I put the ones that I like.
Oh, last one.
Okay, now we're gonna do the next. Toys and snacks. Cut. Some fake candy. A teddy bear. And let's see what's in there. There's more. Guys, let's see what's inside. More candy. More fake candy. And mini toys. Yeah, I'm gonna use that later.
And also,
Okay guys, that's all. Bye. Wait. Before you go, tell me what to do next. Dollhouse. School. Tokaboka. Or cat. Okay guys, that's all. Bye.